Right, how should I stand? Should I stand like this side so it's like that? Or you stand over there and then...
Yeah.
When you're ready.
Take 2, 2020.
Welcome back to 2020.
We're excited to have you all back and can't wait to see what the rest of the year has in store.
This year has seen hardship and new challenges, many of which we have already overcome. We're ready to tackle the rest of this year head on, whilst working on our relationships, developing our education, and working on our self-awareness.
So let's take back this year, and whilst learning from the challenges we experienced, let's hit the reset button and get back on track.
This year, the Year 12 leadership team has decided to centre their message around self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability for an individual to understand their unique and privileged position in the world. By understanding your individual privilege, you're able to understand how you can have a more positive impact on the wider community.
Being able to take some time just to stop, take stock and assess what you really have to be grateful for is such a special opportunity. Perhaps isolation offered some this opportunity. I know this is especially true for me, as although my year was interrupted, I got the chance to be able to think about how grateful I am to live in a state where active cases are decreasing more and more each day, and how grateful I am to be happy and healthy. It's also becoming increasingly important that we recognise how our actions can impact those around us. For example, how just washing your hands more regularly and maintaining a good level of hygiene not only shows a deep understanding of the health and safety of those around you, but also is really an act of compassion. So with self-awareness at the forefront of our minds, we decided to launch our One Can campaign.
1 in 5 Western Australians have experienced food insecurity in the past 12 months and have gone without a meal. Foodbank WA charity partners report that at least 30% more food is required to meet total demand. Amidst the COVID-19 crisis, Foodbank WA has expressed the need for donations of non-perishable food items such as rice, pasta, tinned vegetables, fruit, tuna, and other items you might find in your own pantry.
If you don't have a leftover pile of panic-bought food items, Foodbank has also said that they're in need of financial support to fill the gap of income that they have lost from the food and grocery industry as well as the public. We believe that by donating even just one can have influence, one can help the community, and one can make a difference.
To wrap things up, we're so glad to see everyone back at school and are excited to see what the year brings us. We'd love you to reflect on the past couple of weeks and see what kind of changes and effects you can have on the situation we're in, whether it be in the classroom, in the community, or at lunchtime.
Coronavirus was a setback, but when has God ever told us to give up? Push forward and accept the challenge, as we're all in together as a school, as a community. The One Can initiative will further push the idea of community as we help the people in the manager area with good needs. We'd love you all to show each other respect and always aim to achieve the best as possible while we have this time at NBC. We hope we all enjoy our restart to the year and can't wait to share the ideas we have planned for the year. Stay safe and thank you.
All right, we're done.